Juan Ponce de Leon has been searching for the fountain of youth until he stumbled upon.
Zoltar, my friend, I wish I were small again. Your wish is granted. Eat this. What's that smell? Stinky tofu, why?
I can explain. To keep our bones healthy and strong, we are often advised to increase our dietary intake of calcium by drinking more milk, or staying outside to absorb vitamin D from the sun. Vitamin D does not come from the sun per se, but is synthesized in the skin when exposed to ultraviolet or UV radiation from the sun. This inactive form of vitamin D undergoes a series of conversions that lead to vitamin D metabolism in the liver and other tissues. This results in the formation of active vitamin D, known as 1,25-dihydroxyvitamin D. Active vitamin D plays both a direct and indirect role in maintaining bone health. Active vitamin D is important for chondrocyte differentiation or production. Chondrocytes are cells that secrete important enzymes and calcium phosphate crystals to solidify the bone matrix. Vitamin D also promotes intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphate, which of course makes up much of our bone composition. But calcium and vitamin D cannot promote bone health without one more piece of the puzzle, vitamin K2. After calcium is absorbed, it can either be deposited in our bones or our blood vessels. Vascular calcification occurs when calcium builds up in our arteries, making them stiff and obstructing blood flow. However, vitamin K2 prevents vascular calcification, allowing calcium to strengthen our bones. So how does vitamin K2 work? In cells lining the walls of our blood vessels, vitamin K2 promotes carboxylation and phosphorylation of matrix glad protein or MGP, thereby activating it. Once released from the cell, carboxylated and phosphorylated MGP blocks calcium crystals from depositing in our arteries, but if there's not enough vitamin K2, MGP is not properly activated, allowing calcium to build up. Now don't confuse vitamin K2 with K1. Vitamin K1 contributes to blood clotting and is found in green leafy vegetables. Vitamin K2 or menaquinone is found in fermented foods like fermented cheese, fermented soybeans, and of course, stinky tofu. As the saying goes, you are as old as your arteries. It turns out that vascular calcification can speed up aging. Older people with healthy arteries can be up to 10 years younger than their chronological age.
So does that mean K2 is the fountain of youth?
Well, not exactly, but it does reduce your risk of heart disease. Remember to eat fermented foods though, since most foods are refrigerated, they are not fermented. Hence, most of the population is K2 deficient.
So I guess stinky tofu isn't so stinky after all.